Alright, let's do this. Today we are unboxing the Huawei Watch GT5, a budget friendly smartwatch that's trying to be real functionality without cutting corners. And for $184, it better not be just another step counting gimmick. Inside, the first thing we see is the watch itself sitting neatly in its slot, and it's already looks sleek and well built. But before we talk about that, let's check what else is in the box. Standard stuff, a wireless charging dock, some paperwork that most of us won't even glance at, and of course the strap. Now this one comes with a silicone strap, and honestly it's light, flexible and sweat resistant, perfect for workout. But if you are more into that premium look, you can always swap it out for leather or metal. And the watch itself, this feels premium. Unlike those cheap plasticky smartwatches flooding the market, this has a stainless steel frame and the AMOLED display is looking crisp. Let's see if Huawei really nailed the smartwatch game this time or if it's just another overhyped wearable. Before we even talk about features, let's just appreciate how clean and premium this watch looks. Unlike most budget smartwatches that feels like a toy, the GT5 actually feels like a premium timepiece. It comes with a stainless steel frame which not only looks good but also make the watch sturdy and durable. It's not one of those cheap plastic watch that start falling apart after a few months. Huawei also made sure that this thing is built to last. It's rated IP69 for dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle high pressure water jets and even deep water dives up to 50 meters. So whether you are sweating it out at the gym, caught in the rain, or even taking it for a swim, this watch isn't going to flinch. And let's talk about the comfort factor. At just 48 grams, it's light enough for wear all day without feeling like there's a prick on your wrist. Now, let's talk about something that most budget smartwatches fail miserably at: the display. Most of them come with low resolution LCD panels that look dull, laggy, and just plain bad. But the GT5 is rocking a gorgeous 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a crisp resolution. What does that mean in real life? It means vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp text. You can actually see everything clearly, even under bright sunlight. And yes, always on display is here, so you're not stuck raising your wrist every 5 seconds just to check the time. Battery life is another area where cheap smartwatches fail hard. They promise multiple days of battery, but in reality, you are lucky if they even last a day. But the GT5 doesn't play the game. Huawei claims up to 14 days on a single charge, and while real world usage might bring down that number a bit, you're still getting at least a full week of use, which is unheard of at this price point. If you're someone who tracks, runs, hikes, or cycling, then you already know how terrible GPS tracking is on most budget smartwatches. They take forever to connect, and when they finally do, the tracking is all over the place. The GT5 has got dual GPS, meaning it locks onto signal faster and tracks movement more accurately. And it doesn't stop there. It also supports Galileo, GLONASS, PDS, and QZSS, which means you are covered no matter where you are. So if you're logged at your fitness data and thought, wait, I definitely didn't run through that building, you will be happy to know that this watch won't mess up your tracking like those cheap watches do. Most budget smartwatches throw in a heart rate monitor just for the sake of marketing. But here's the thing, they're usually inaccurate and something completely fake. Huawei, on the other hand, actually put real working sensors in this thing. You're getting a proper heart rate sensor that isn't just guessing random numbers. SpO2 monitoring that actually gives useful blood oxygen readings, a body temperature sensor, which is something you rarely see at this price, a barometer and compass, which come in handy if you are into hiking or adventure sports. All of those means you are getting actual fitness tracking, not just gimmicks. Here's where budget smartwatches really show their limitations. Most of them can barely do anything other than show notification. The GT5, on the other hand, actually works like a proper smartwatch. It has a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can take calls directly from your wrist. No need to pull out your phone just to answer a call while you are on the go. And yes, it also has NFC for contactless payments, which is another feature that most budget smartwatches don't have. Alright, let's be fair. The GT5 isn't perfect. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. There's no SIM or LTE support, so you still need to keep your phone nearby. No Google services. Since it runs on Harmony OS, most apps work fine, but if you're deep into the Google ecosystem, this might be a little inconvenient. But let's be honest, at this price, there are small trade offs. Now, let's talk about the fake budget smartwatches out there. You've seen them. Watches that claim to have AI powered health tracking, but in reality, they are just showing random numbers. Most of them have low quality LCD screens, fake heart rate sensors, terrible GPS, no NFC, no wireless charging, no proper fitness tracking, and yet they sell for $80 to $150, tricking people into thinking they're getting a deal. Meanwhile, the Huawei Watch GT5 is getting $184 with a premium build AMOLED display, proper sensor, dual band GPS, wireless charging, and actual smartwatch features. It's not even a fair fight. If you want a smartwatch that's actually smart, The Huawei Watch GT5 is the best budget option out there. It looks premium, it lasts day on a single charge, it has real health tracking, real GPS, real features. And unlike most budget smartwatches, it's not just a fancy step counter. So if you're thinking about buying a smartwatch, skip the gimmicks and get the GT5 instead. You won't regret it. Until then, signing up from Tech Therapy. Peace out.